Howdy everyone, this is Astha Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops. और yes, मैं आ गई हूँ straight from my washroom to my living room, trying to film a not so makeup tutorial. Now the thing is कि
I wanted to make a YouTube channel since 2014, ठीक है? और मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि मैं YouTube चैनल बनाऊंगी, so मतलब I have to make a makeup tutorial YouTube channel, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि मैं बहुत ही fab हूँ in doing makeup. But then I finally made my YouTube channel, and then I saw myself on that channel looking like, yes. I mean, then मुझे realize हुआ that no, my makeup skills are below average.
So today I'm gonna follow a YouTuber doing her makeup, a festive look, because अच्छा अब फेस्टिवल सीजन आ रहा है तो इससे अच्छा मौका कहाँ मिलेगा मेकअप करने का.
So I'm taking benefit of this festival season and learning how to do makeup. And I thought that why not put my learning thing on camera and post it for you. So this is how I learn, okay? I will show you how good of a learner I am, or bad of a learner I am.
What are we waiting for? Let's get started. मैं fact clear कर दूँ कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा scared हूँ to make this video because I'm really am bad at doing makeup. So let's see what happens. So guys, this is Smita Deepak, that's what her YouTube channel name is, and my makeup look is inspired by hers. She's absolutely beautiful. So I start by using my coconut oil. That's what I use on daily basis on my face. My skin is super duper dry, super dry, and that's me putting it in. You can see that just by putting my coconut oil, my skin starts shining. This is an added step that I took this time, which is putting on aloe vera gel. I do this sometimes or during the summers using aloe vera gel. I thought of using it today. So this is the primer that I'm gonna use. This is by Misha. If you'll see, most of my products are from Korea because I did a lot of shopping, makeup shopping there. But since then I haven't really shopped anymore. Now I do not have any foundation, so I'm using my BB creams. That's what I use daily basis. This is the white one that I use every day, as in for my videos. But then to this I've mixed my tinted BB cream as well. The white one is from Tony Moly, and the brown one, the tinted one, is again from Misha. Okay, so this is the concealer again by Misha, and I really do not use concealer. I haven't used it much. I do not know how to use it. I was just looking at the YouTube channel and applying it, but I did a really bad job, I think. Okay, so apparently I know that we're not supposed to drag our fingers under our eyes and we're supposed to use a ring finger. So I'm patting the product in my skin, as in under my eyes, and I used my ring finger. By this time I was already tired. God, doing makeup is not easy. I look like a zombie. Okay, so I did not have a contouring powder thing, so I picked up my eyebrow palette and just tried doing something with it. I did not even have brushes, and these are the brushes that one of my friends gave me, so I'm making good use of them here. Thank you, Palka Ben, big shout out to you. I certainly thought that I've made a goof up here because this was not how it was supposed to be. But trust me, now that I'm reviewing it, I think this really works. I must get a contouring powder soon. What do you call it? Contouring? Yeah, contouring powder. Okay, so apparently this is my favorite step. I love doing my eyebrows. I think it gives a remarkable definition to my face. So yes, eyebrows are all thumbs up for me. Next I pick up my highlighter. This is again from Korea. I think this is the Face Shop. I could not use the brush properly, so I used my fingers as usual. Now looking at the YouTube video, I understood how to correctly put your highlighter. So thank you. Moving on to the eyes. I have here a palette by Tony Moly. Both the palettes are from Tony Moly. I apparently picked up the wrong color. I was supposed to pick up golden. I don't know why did I pick silver first, but then I realized soon that this is the wrong color, and then I moved to the golden part. Then this is the peach color in the palette, but this was very shimmery. It was just shimmery. It wasn't giving too much of, color to it. So I switched on to my Trolls palette, which is again from Tony Moly. I absolutely love this palette. Isn't it so cute? It is adorable. Okay, now I was supposed to give a wing to my eye using a dark brown or grayish color in the palette. I do not remember what color was that, but one eye I was able to do, but with the second eye, if you can see, I am really struggling. This is so bad. I just couldn't do my other eye. So as the video suggested, I took up my kajal and I started to tight line, is that what they say? But my god, I was so scared. I left it in between and I went on to my under eye straight away. That I can do really easily. I've been putting kajal in my eye since like forever. Okay, so I decided to go back to the wing part and I thought of using my kajal stick, and this worked better. I was able to do on both my eyes, of course struggling with my other eye, but then I could finally do it. I thought I messed up pretty bad, but then I lifted up the brush and then this happened. Guys, I was super amazed by the result, but then yeah, this is me upside down. Again, the struggles with the second eye continues, as you can see. Time for the eyelashes. I have my, what do you call them, lash curler? No, the mascaras dried up, so I'm using the ones given to me by my mommy. Shout out to Chinu mommy. Apparently Smita used some fake lashes on, but I do not have any because I don't use any because I'm too scared. I am really scared of those fake lashes. But yeah, maybe sometime I can try. I should be that adventurous at least. And there goes the monkey face, and boom. Whoa man, I absolutely loved the way my eyes looked. They changed completely. Okay, here goes my lipstick. One is from Essence, which I bought here. It's the matte one, and then over it I put in my cushion lipstick, which is again from Misha. Then goes my blusher. Again, it is from Tony Moly, and this blusher is super cute. Super cute. Indian festivals are nothing without a bindi, right? And I love bindi on my forehead. So guys, this was the final makeup look. I absolutely enjoyed making a makeup tutorial, not so makeup tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, adios amigos and amigas.